Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Bruce firmware on the LilyGO T Pager. This is super easy this time around, just you need to know how to do it and how to get it into flash mode, which I'll show you. And this is also not the launcher method, so let me show you how to do it. So first thing you do is hold the button to the left first to shut it down, and then move your finger over to the second button, which gets it into the flash mode. You'll know that you did it correctly when the screen stays black. So what you're going to do is go to Bruce Web Flasher, you're going to click on Beta Release, LilyGO, and then click on the T-Lora Pager. And then you're going to click on the device. It should show up if you did it correctly. And you're going to click Install. And this will probably take maybe 1 to 2 minutes. And then it should be done. All you got to do is unplug it, plug it back in, or just turn the device on after it's done flashing, and you should see the Bruce firmware launch up. Now, if you're looking for dedicated themes, which I'm showing right here that I've made for the community, I have a drive that you can get in our Discord. I try to make cool customizable themes and make these devices a little bit more personalized. Go ahead and check that out in the description as well. And just a quick note, if you don't put the beta release, it doesn't install for some reason. I don't know if it's a bug or it's just not that stable yet, but at least you're now able to do it using the Bruce Web Flasher. This is super easy. This is definitely easier than doing the launcher method and having to move around bin files, etc. So let me know what you think in the description. Do you like these cool custom themes? This one currently is not sized correctly. This is just the one I have for the T embed. But eventually I'll make some custom fitted themes for these devices as well as they become more popular. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And as always, remember that safety is an illusion.